Sheets work very similarly to Excel in the Microsoft Office suite. You've got options for numbers, percentages. You can fill. So if you select a column, you can go to the paint bucket and you can choose your color. You can color code. You've got your bold italics. You can make the words different colors, your alignment. If you have a big sentence or paragraph written, you can do a text wrap and then it will fit into the box. There is a shortcut if you are writing, and it can do a text wrap. You can't enter to make a new line. You can do Control Enter, and it will make a second line. So if I need a list here, item 2, 12, you're just going Enter or Control Enter, and it will make the separate line. Since if you hit Return, it goes down boxes. You can enter numbers, percentages. You can do your regular tools that you need in your summaries. It will guess your window. So if you need a different set of data, you would enter it. Otherwise, you can use the predicting text and then it will do your inserts there for you. You can make a list of checkboxes if you are doing a summer list. So I'm going to let's see, I want this whole column to have it. Insert checkbox. Then I can do trash, and then so you can have your list and your checkboxes that you can check off. So those are just some things you can do in Sheets. But it works very similarly to Excel. Not completely the same, but pretty close. At the bottom, you have a spot where you can add tabs. And so if you want one sheet, if you right click, I can rename. Maybe this is for freshmen. Maybe this sheet, right click, rename is for sophomores. You can have different tabs. You can also color code. So if I click here, I can change the color. Maybe I want this sheet to be red. I can make this sheet to be blue. So that helps with organization. So you can right click on this box or click the drop down. You can also duplicate. So if I like the setup I had on this one, I could duplicate. And maybe I'll rename this to juniors, but I don't want it the same color, so I will change my color. And so you can duplicate and copy. You just drag and rearrange if you want them in a different order. If you want to have a group of titles, then you need your rows to be saved and frozen, so when you scroll, they don't move. You can view freeze and then choose 1 or 2 rows, or wherever your box is highlighted, that's where it would freeze. You can also freeze by column. So maybe I'll freeze row 1 and I will freeze column 1. So when I scroll, those headings would stay. And if I scroll this way, the headings would stay. So there's just a couple things you can do in Sheets, but you can really use it however you want to. But I do find the color coding and the copying tabs very helpful.